I will talk about how can you disable group updates notifications on your Nextdoor app. So all you have to do in the first, just go up of your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this here, and you will find here groups and contacts. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, and you will find here group posts. Can you disable it here for email and here for app? Then here can you disable it for Nextdoor notifications? Just click on it. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean group post notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.